Hello everybody, and welcome to another unboxing video by Trendi Switch. Today here we have the ART-SS2 in black. Alright, let's grab our scissors. Let's open it on up. Okay, inside each box, you'll get your product. You'll get a set of screws, which will be able to fit into any universal pattress box. And you'll also get a set of instructions, which I'll show you in a second. But first, let's take a look at the product here. Okay, we'll start by giving you a 360 view. All right, and then let's take the plate off for installation. Nice and simple, grab at the edges with your fingers and push forward with your palm. Plate comes off nice and easy like that. Plates are interchangeable as well, so if you wanna change the color around the plates, as long as you buy the correct one, like the SS2 for the SS2 for example, then you can swap them around. Okay, at the side here are the screw holes. That's where you're going to put the screws through to fasten to your pattress box. Okay, flipping it on over, you'll notice that it has the BS symbol on here, the British standards. So you have peace of mind buying this. It has 3 terminal hole screws on the back here. So you can control your lights from 2 separate locations with this guy. These are also, the modules here are also interchangeable. So if you wanted to add on an intermediate, because you needed to control the light from 3 separate locations, you can do that. Okay, flipping it on over. Put our plate back on, just like that. Okay. And then let's take a look at that instructional leaflet I was talking about earlier. Okay, on the one side you have a whole bunch of different social media platforms. If you head on over to any one of these, give us a like or a follow, that would be greatly appreciated. Flipping it on over, you have multiple ways that you can contact us, either by phone number, email, or live messenger. In the bottom right-hand corner, you have a Scan Me QR code. If you scan that, it'll take you directly to our instructional page, which will give you tips and tricks on how to install our products. Okay, finally, let's take a look at the bag that it comes in. Okay, flipping it on over, at the bottom here is our SKU code, the ART-SS2 for the 2-way, and BK for the color black. On the center here is our barcode. And in the top left-hand corner here, we have another Scan Me QR code. If you scan that, it'll take you directly to our Trendi website, and you can see our full range of products there. And then finally, flipping it on over, you have the recycling symbol in the bottom right-hand corner here, so you know that this packaging that it comes in is completely recyclable. All right, there you have it. If you like videos like that, we try to upload one every day, so please make sure you're subscribed and that bell notification is turned on so you can stay up to date with everything trendy. Leave us a like and a comment down below as what you'd like us to do next. All right, thanks for watching and have a trendy day.